Hello everyone, my name is Will. Welcome to Bits and Bytes Tutorials. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create and edit Missouri State University Spotlight profiles. Begin by navigating to experts.missouristate.edu. On the Experts homepage, click the Login button at the upper right and log in using your MSU West Plains username and password. At the bottom of the Site Spaces column, click View All. On the new page, scroll to the bottom of this column and click Next. On this page, find West Plains Information System Help, but don't click it just yet. Before proceeding, we're going to add this page to our favorites. To add a page to your favorites, click the star on the right-hand side of the link. Once it's been successfully added, the star will change from outlined to solid filled. Now return to the Experts homepage by clicking the Experts button at the upper left. West Plains Information System Help should now be conveniently located at the top left of the page in the Favorite Spaces section. Now we're ready to proceed with the Spotlight. Click West Plains Information System Help. On the right side of the page in the Links pane, click Spotlight Administration Website and log in with your MSU West Plains username and password. To create a new Spotlight, click Add New Spotlight. In the Filters pane, expand the Type menu and make the appropriate selection. Set campus-wide to Yes. Status designates whether the Spotlight will be active or inactive within the system. Inactive Spotlights will only be viewable by those authorized to perform edits, while active Spotlights will be live. A Spotlight cannot be made active until all the required fields are completed and the Spotlight has been inserted for the first time, so for now, skip this step. Within the Editor pane, expand the Editor menu and choose your department or organization. Only the editor group and the administrators can edit a Spotlight. Enter your name into the Author field. In the General Information pane, enter the name of the person being featured in the Name field. Headline is used for Spotlight displays where the name is not featured as the title of the Spotlight. The start date and end date determines the time period in which the Spotlight should run in the system. An interactive calendar will automatically open when you click the field. Within the calendar, click the left and right arrows to change the month or click the current month to open the month selection pane. Within the month selection pane, click the year to open the year selection pane. Choose a year to return to the month selection pane. Choose a month to return to the day selection pane. And finally, choose a day to populate the field with the selected date. If you would like to set today's date as the start date, click the Today link at the bottom of the calendar. Repeat the process to set an end date. The end date should be 2 calendar years after the start date unless otherwise indicated. The introduction sentence should contain a short teaser text that will display when the Spotlight is linked from a page. There is a 250 character limit in this field. The body of the story field contains the story of the Spotlight as continued from the introduction sentence. There is a 3,500 character limit in this field. The remaining information fields will change depending on the type of Spotlight you are creating. Most will simply be empty text fields where information can be entered directly. Faculty and staff will include an additional department menu. Expand this menu to choose the appropriate department. The Custom Fields pane allows you to enter subject information on Spotlights. For example, you could enter awards in the custom field name, then enter award titles in the custom field text. After you've completed all the required fields, click Insert to add this Spotlight to the system. You will be taken to the Edit Spotlight page where you'll have the opportunity to modify the current information or enter additional information. The Related Departments and Organizations pane allows you to add university units that are sponsoring the Spotlight or would like to have the Spotlight within their pages. Expand the menu to choose a unit, then click Add Unit to commit the change. Added units will appear in the associated University Units table. Multiple units can be added by repeating the process. The Program Tag menu is a list of academic disciplines and can be used to further describe this Spotlight if desired. Program tags are added the same way as university units. Expand the menu, make a selection, then click Add Program to add it to the associated Program Tags table. As with the university units, multiple programs can be added. In the Keywords pane, You can select a university marketing message related to the Spotlight or create a new generic keyword to be applied. At this time, review the general information and type information, then move down the page to the Media pane. The Media pane allows you to attach images and videos to the Spotlight. To add an image, click the Upload Image button to open the file browser. Navigate to the desired image and double-click to add it to the Spotlight. When creating your images, remember these tips. Images should be sized to 440 pixels wide by 248 pixels high. Images should be a JPEG format. The file name should include the .jpg extension. To include a video, you'll need the YouTube Video ID. The ID is a code string inside the video's web address. To find the video ID, navigate to the desired video. The ID is the code string immediately following watch $V equals. Copy this section of code and paste it into the video ID field. If you're viewing a video through a YouTube channel, there will be extra information in the code string. Only include the portions between watch $V equals and &list. Now that you're finished, click Update to save the Spotlight. This will return you to the Spotlight's administration page. To activate, edit, or preview the Spotlight, find the featured person's name in the current Spotlights list. You can click Preview to view the full Spotlight, click Mini Preview to view a small single column version, or click on the person's name to return to the Edit Spotlight page where the Spotlight can be activated or edited. Once the Spotlight has been approved, return to the Edit Spotlights page for activation. Change the status to Active. If necessary, make any desired changes. When you're finished, click Update. The Spotlight is now live, and that's going to do it for this Bits and Bytes tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.